Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Android tablets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G. Meet the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus 5G, an 11-inch Android 16 tablet designed for entertainment, productivity, and everyday multitasking. With 5G connectivity, a large display, and quad speakers, it delivers a premium experience at a budget-friendly price. Priced at just $279.99, the Galaxy Tab A11 Plus offers excellent value for users who want a reliable tablet with modern features like 5G, multi-window support, and long battery life without spending flagship-level money. Big 11-inch display. The large 11-inch screen makes streaming, gaming, reading, and video calls more enjoyable with plenty of viewing space and vibrant visuals. Fast 5G and Wi-Fi connectivity. Stay connected almost anywhere with 5G support on the US cellular network plus fast Wi-Fi for smooth browsing and streaming. Android 16 experience. Running the latest Android 16 operating system, the tablet offers improved security, smoother performance, and updated multitasking features. Upgraded chipset performance. The upgraded processor helps apps launch quickly and keeps everyday tasks running smoothly, whether you're watching videos or switching between apps. 128GB storage. With 128GB of built-in storage, there's enough room for apps, photos, games, and downloaded content. Long battery life. The battery is built to last through long streaming sessions, online classes, or workdays without frequent charging. Quad speakers. Quad speakers provide louder and clearer audio, making movies, music, and games feel more immersive. Multi-window display. Use multiple apps side by side for better productivity, perfect for note-taking while watching videos or browsing while chatting. Pros. Large and comfortable 11-inch display. Affordable price for a 5G tablet. Smooth Android 16 performance. Excellent battery life. Quad speakers improve entertainment experience. Great for streaming, browsing, and multitasking. Cons. Not designed for heavy gaming or professional editing. Display may not be as sharp as premium flagship tablets. US cellular network compatibility may limit carrier flexibility. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Introducing the powerful Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, an 11-inch Android 16 tablet packed with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, Dolby Atmos speakers, and AI-powered features, all in a slim and lightweight design. At $309.99, this tablet delivers strong value with premium features like expandable storage, optimized performance, and a 2-year warranty, making it a great option for entertainment, study, and daily productivity. Large 11-inch display. Enjoy movies, gaming, browsing, and video calls on a spacious 11-inch screen that offers a comfortable viewing experience. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The combination of 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage ensures smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps, photos, videos, and files. Expandable storage support. Need more space? Easily expand the storage with a microSD card for extra media and documents. Optimized performance. The upgraded hardware and Android 16 software provide fast app launches, smooth navigation, and reliable everyday performance. Dolby Atmos speakers. Dolby Atmos audio creates richer and more immersive sound quality for movies, music, and gaming. AI assist features. Built-in AI tools help improve productivity, multitasking, and overall user convenience. Long-lasting battery. The battery is designed to keep up with streaming, online classes, work, and entertainment throughout the day. Slim and lightweight design. Its thin and lightweight body makes the tablet easy to carry for travel, work, or school. 2-year warranty. The included 2-year warranty adds extra peace of mind and long-term reliability. Pros. Smooth multitasking with 8GB RAM. Huge 256GB storage plus expandable memory. Dolby Atmos speakers sound impressive. Large display is great for entertainment. Slim and portable design. Long battery life for daily use. Added value with 2-year warranty. Cons. Not ideal for advanced professional editing. Display quality may not match premium flagship tablets. Accessories like keyboard or stylus may cost extra. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Introducing the stylish and versatile Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, a 10.9-inch Android tablet featuring S Pen support, AI tools, expandable storage, and smooth everyday performance in a slim gray design. At just $54.97, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite offers incredible value with premium-style features like S Pen note-taking, AI-powered tools, and up to 2 TB expandable storage, making it an excellent budget-friendly tablet option. Large 10.9-inch LCD display. The 10.9-inch LCD screen provides a comfortable viewing experience for streaming, reading, browsing, and online classes. Exynos 1380 performance. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset and 6GB RAM, the tablet handles multitasking, media apps, and everyday tasks smoothly. 128GB storage plus 2 TB expandable memory. Store apps, games, videos, and documents easily, and expand storage up to 2 TB with a microSD card. Included S Pen support. Take notes, sketch ideas, edit documents, and navigate more naturally using the responsive S Pen. AI tools and Circle to Search. Samsung Smart AI features and Circle to Search help improve productivity, quick searching, and user convenience. Long battery life. The battery is designed for all-day entertainment, studying, and work without frequent charging. Slim and portable design. Its lightweight and slim build makes it easy to carry for travel, office use, or school. Pros. Excellent value for the price. S Pen support is great for note-taking. Large immersive display. Expandable storage up to 2 TB. AI tools improve usability. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Reliable battery life for daily tasks. Cons. LCD display is not as vibrant as AMOLED panels. Not designed for heavy gaming or professional editing. Camera performance is basic compared to flagship tablets. Number 2. FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet. Meet the affordable and feature-packed FEONAL 11-inch Android 16 tablet, an 11-inch Android 16 tablet with 20GB RAM, 128GB storage, for GLTE connectivity, and a full HD display built for entertainment and multitasking. Priced at only $129.98, this tablet delivers impressive value with cellular support, expandable multitasking performance, and a large screen experience at a budget-friendly price. Large 11-inch FHD in-cell display. Enjoy movies, browsing, gaming, and video calls on the sharp and immersive 11-inch Full HD in-cell screen. Android 16 operating system. The latest Android 16 software offers smoother performance, updated security, and better app compatibility. 20GB RAM plus 128GB storage. With up to 20GB RAM support and 128GB internal storage, the tablet handles multitasking, apps, and media smoothly. Octa-core MTK8786 processor. The octa-core chipset provides reliable everyday performance for streaming, social media, online classes, and light gaming. For GLTE plus 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Stay connected anywhere with 4G LTE cellular support and fast 5G Wi-Fi compatibility. T-Mobile SIM card support. Insert a compatible T-Mobile SIM card for mobile internet access on the go without relying only on Wi-Fi. Dual cameras. The 13MP rear camera and 8MP front camera are suitable for video calls, online meetings, and casual photography. Long entertainment experience. The combination of efficient hardware and battery optimization supports extended streaming and browsing sessions. Pros. Affordable price for a large Android tablet. For GLTE and SIM card support, add flexibility. Big 11-inch Full HD display. Good multitasking with high RAM capacity. Android 16 provides modern software features. Lightweight and portable for travel. Cons. Performance may not match premium flagship tablets. Cameras are decent but not professional quality. NTK 8786 chipset is better for casual use than heavy gaming. Number 1. WXUNJA Android 16 Tablet. Introducing the budget-friendly WXUNJA Android 16 tablet, an 11-inch tablet packed with 28GB RAM, expandable storage, Widevine L1 support, and a massive battery for entertainment and daily productivity. At just $109.99, this tablet offers excellent value with premium-style features like dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, expandable storage up to 1TB, and even a protective case included in the box. Large 11-inch display. The 11-inch screen gives you plenty of space for streaming, online classes, browsing, and gaming. Android 16 experience. Enjoy updated Android features, improved security, and smooth everyday performance. 28GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The high RAM capacity helps with multitasking, while 128GB storage gives enough room for apps, photos, and videos. Expandable storage up to 1TB. Need more space? Easily add up to 1TB with a microSD card for movies, files, and games. Octa-core processor. The octa-core chipset delivers stable performance for daily tasks, streaming, and casual gaming. Widevine L1 support. Watch supported streaming platforms in higher quality HD resolution for a better entertainment experience. 8,000 mAh long-lasting battery. The large battery keeps the tablet running for extended streaming, studying, and work sessions. Dual Wi-Fi, GPS and FM support. Supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi along with GPS navigation and FM radio functionality. Cameras and included case. The 5MP front camera and 8MP rear camera handle video calls and casual photos, while the included protective case adds extra value. Pros. Very affordable price. Large 11-inch display. Massive RAM capacity for multitasking. Widevine L1 improves streaming quality. Big 8,000 mAh battery life. Expandable storage up to 1TB. Protective case included. Cons. Cameras are basic for photography. Not ideal for heavy gaming or professional editing. Display quality may not match premium flagship tablets. If you want an affordable Android tablet with a large screen, solid battery life, and impressive storage features, the WXUNJA Android 16 tablet is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and deals, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and gadget updates.